Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Today I share with you a situation in which I realized with my new fishing which I bought. Right, they have ick. Luckily they were placed within a pond by themselves. So I am going to be showing you step by step what I did so as to manage the situation. Stay with me as I actually do my thing. Cool. Having illness in an aquarium is not something that one would really want, right? However, you have to have a knowledge as to how to do this, how to manage this, should in case it actually arrive with you. I have been doing fish keeping extensively for the past 4 years, right? And this is the first I've ever had an issue where I've identified ick within my my fish space, right? So today I'll be using garlic and some coarse salt so as to manage this situation. It will last probably for a week, so probably you might end up have a before and an after video. Okay, so first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be shelling out the garlic and I'm going to be dicing them, and then I'm going to be putting them into the blender, blend it up, and I'm going to be tipping doses of it in all my ponds around the back, but extensively in the container with my my fish which I had in quarantine. Now that I've actually diced up the garlic, I'm going to be putting it into a small container. Well, I'm going to be blending it really. Small container with water, put it in the blender for a while, and then I'm going to put it into the container with the fish. It's then placed into the blender, in which it will now blend for a while to pulp. Now my mesh that I used to take out the fish with the ick, it has been placed in the sun, and it will remain in the sun for at least a day, where it will dry, and it will stay there for a bit, because it cannot survive not being on a hose and being in the sun and not on a hose. It will die. Due to the observed stage of the ick, I decided to put roughly half of the blended garlic thing in the container with the fish. This is a pan in which the fish was in. I'm going to put some of the liquid in, and you're going to sit there also, because the ick, I think some small fish is in it, some little fish, so more than likely they have ick also, so that should help them. And also I'm going to be putting some salt with it. In addition, I put about roughly a handful and a half of salt in a container, and the fish will sit in this. Yeah man, the fish will sit in this for a while, roughly a couple days, and it's very potent, guys. So it's very potent, so it should help to get the ick off. And with all that, I'm going to have to put some air in it, so I'm going to be doing that. You won't see this part, but the air will be in it, and they are jumping as expected. They are jumping. Right, so I'll keep you up to date in a bit.